Today we explore the word appointment. It's a simple word but very useful for managing your time. An appointment is a formal plan to meet someone at a certain time. It could be with a doctor, a friend, or for business. People often confuse appointment with a casual meeting. Remember, an appointment is scheduled and official, not just a casual meetup. Common phrases include make an appointment, have an appointment, and keep an appointment. You can also say appointment with someone. Examples: I have an appointment with the dentist tomorrow. Please make an appointment before coming. Don't forget your appointment at 3 p.m. She kept her appointment with the manager. Anna was nervous about her appointment with the doctor. She arrived early and waited quietly. The appointment helped her feel better about her health. Think of appointment as a promise to meet, like setting your phone alarm to remember a meeting. That promise is your appointment. Now you know how to use appointment. Try to make one today and say the word aloud to remember it.